Money affirmation for how you feel about money. I am grateful for money. I love money because money loves me. I am worthy of the wealth I desire. I release all negative energy over money. Money is the root of joy and comfort. Money and spirituality can coexist in harmony. Money and love can be friends. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I am grateful for all the money I have now. I have a positive money mindset. I deserve to be rich. I deserve money in my life. I am grateful for all that money brings me. I let go of all my limiting beliefs around money. I let go of all my fears around money. I know anyone can be wealthy, including me. Every day, I choose money and wealth. All the money I have brings me joy. I am worthy of a wealthy life. My wealth comes from being honest and authentic in everything I do. If others can be wealthy, so can I. I deserve a prosperous life. I am worthy of a solid financial foundation. I am not poor, I am on the path to a wealthy life. I gracefully surrender all of my resistance to wealth. I am worthy of financial security and freedom. Financial security brings me peace. I am thankful for the comfort that having money can bring to me when I manage it well. I enjoy money. I am grateful for the money I already have and the money that's on its way to me now. I embrace a life of abundance and positive thinking. I am so happy and grateful that money flows to me easily and effortlessly. My relationship with money gets better and better every day. I am worthy of money. It is safe to be wealthy. I trust money. I deserve to be financially rewarded. I choose to think only positive thoughts about money. I choose to feel wealthy right now. I am healing my relationship with money. Having money makes me feel calm and confident. I choose to believe I deserve to have plenty of money. Financial well-being is my new reality. My positive attitude is attracting money. I am thankful for the abundance and prosperity in my life. I give myself permission to prosper and build wealth and to be happy about it. I bless all rich, wealthy, and abundant people. I am grateful for the wealth that is inside of me. I embrace all positive associations to money, wealth, abundance, and prosperity.